Another company reached out to me called BougeRV, and I investigated this company, and they cater to people who generally do like the RV camping or the camper van type camping, the van life kind of stuff. And I was really surprised when they reached out to me, of all things, because, you know, I'm kind of known for more historical camping stuff, you know, with the lanterns and all the other historic gear. But I looked at their stuff, and originally they wanted to send me a hot water heater. And here in Ohio, right now, like last night was negative 13 degrees. Right now it's sitting at 4 degrees outside. And their hot water heater, by the looks of it, raises temperature up to 40 degrees from base temperature. And I told him, I was like, you can go ahead and send it to me. I can do like a little review like here, but I can't really do a review outdoors because it's not going to do a whole lot of good. And they understood, and they said, hey, how about sending you this light? And I was like, sure, let's see what this light's all about. And at first I thought it was kind of gimmicky, and I was like, all right, this is kind of cool because it's like a $100 light, right? I was like, all right, $100 light, and when you think about how much people spend on their headsets and other things, like, that doesn't seem too bad. This seems kind of fair and honest. See what this thing can do and the build quality of it. Now I have it here set up at a tripod because that was just one of the first features I saw that I was like, wow, that's actually really cool. And I was like, you know, this thing has abilities way above and beyond just camping. This thing you can use in your house. This thing you can use for lighting, especially me being a YouTube creator. It's like, check this out, because I can make the wings come out like so, and I'll show you it turned on and everything, but it's like, you could use this for lighting, even just for like photography or something. And I thought that was really cool. If you go out camping and you take like a tripod or something and you wanted to spread more light on the situation when you're camping, that's kind of cool, because you could even, and I'll show you, you can raise this up. This goes up to like 40 some inches. Like, this is just a little bit, right? Like, I could drag all the way up to my to the roof here. So it has a telescoping pole inside of it, which is cool. It can connect to your tripod, and let's see. I want to unscrew this really quick, and then I'll tell you all about the rest of it. All right, let me move this for the time being. All right, so it has these little legs. It also comes with 4 stakes, because there's little holes that you can see here. So you can stake this into the ground if you are camping, especially if you're like hammock camping, right there next to you, and you don't want an animal, or wind to tip it over. That's pretty cool. Like I said, you can pop this out. See how tall this thing goes. Like, right there. So you can kind of see how far it goes up. So if you are hammock camping or tent camping, this is inside your tent. You can set this down firmly. It has magnets and it's really, really strong. Let's see if I can put it on this. And these are just like the extra features besides just being a light. Let's see. Yeah, like that. I can set it on like metal. This is cool. And again, like I said, so you can think about like all the different uses you can use this at home. I'm actually kind of geeking out a little bit more about its home uses than its camping uses. So if you're under the sink, and if you're a man and you're fixing the sink, there's nothing worse than like angling the light, to get to the pipe in the right spot and everything. This is so small you can do that. I actually did this. I went into my sink. It's the only time I ever went in the sink. It's when you have to try something out. And you get yourself in that uncomfortable position. You're like, oh, wow, this could actually work. And you probably had some time with your dad or uncle or grandpa or somebody, or maybe your friend, your buddy, especially in high school, helping them out with their car and holding that flashlight. Well, this thing can magnetize to the hood of your car, to the side of your car, or something like that, and help you get the angle just right. Because these things like angle everywhere. Like, you can twist and turn and look at this. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just overly excited about this thing and all that it's different possible uses, but it's pretty sweet. So let's get to the whole lighting aspect of it, because it is a light, right? So this is a lantern, and when you press the button, there's a series of 4 buttons right here. You press it once, it only turns on one. You notice this is like an orange light, which is really good for like night. So there you go. So if you are camping, right? Let's do it one more time. Oh, and then you got your flashlight, okay? Woohoo, like so. But if you are camping, you know, like the problem when you're sitting down or you're trying to find something and you press the light on and you got the light right in your face. That's like one of the problems with the old lanterns. That's why they put like reflectors and stuff on the side, right? So you can do that. And now you have like a multi-directional, so you can see everything around you except for the part that's facing you. And the one that's last to face you is the one with the buttons on it. So you can still use it, like so. Or you can just use it like a regular flashlight. All right? Now, I've only shown you a small part of this, because this is really cool. You can set the tone of the light, and on top of that, you can either dim it or make it really bright. So especially like late at night when you're getting up just to use the restroom or something, you're trying to find your glasses or whatever, you don't want something super bright. So you could use the orange light, or you can use the white light, or you can use the really, really cold light. Again, you can dim it down like so. It also has a strobe. So I thought this was kind of cool, especially for like boating. If you're into fishing or something, now it has the SOS, the emergency, or you can just stay it on. There you go. Like, this thing has a tremendous amount of value. If you go fishing, if you go boating, and you need that strobe light, you know, just to get somebody's attention or something. Or maybe you are camping and you're shouting for somebody who's somewhere, you hear them shouting back, you can throw the strobe on and they can help alert or see them. I thought that was kind of cool. The little flashlight, I don't know you would really use the flashlight a whole lot, but it's there. It's there, especially again, like I said, if you attach this to like your hood of your car, then you can have it pointed down into the bay like so. All right, now there's a few more features. Because this is 100% rechargeable, it has 2 ports here, one for charging, and you can use this as a battery backup to charge your phone. Now, I wouldn't say I'd go backpacking with this. If I was going backpacking, it'd be a very short distance because this is rather heavy, right? But if you're car camping, or if you're canoeing, if you're kayaking, or something like that where you have some form of transport, this works wonderfully. And like I said, around the house, it also has a tremendous amount of use. This isn't just a traditional, you know, lantern in case the power goes out or something like that. Because of the directional functions of these little paddles, it makes it incredibly useful. And like if you're playing cards when you're going camping, if you are making a meal, you know, maybe getting dessert ready or something like that around your campsite, having something like this where you can angle it directly where you need it. Maybe you need some light in the front and you need some light in the back or light in the down. Like, I don't know. My mind just keeps swimming with possibilities of how this thing can be used. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think. It's from BougeRV. The description box below has the link to this. I am an affiliate, so if you do buy something from it, then I do get, you know, something back. This helps support the channel. But as always, shop around, see what you think. The build quality is pretty nice. It's plastic. It's not metal or anything. But if you treat your stuff well, I don't think it's going to have a problem. we shall see as time goes on. You know, I'll use it this summer, especially when I go camping with my troop, and give you some more feedback. But there's a lot to this handy dandy little lantern, and more to the eye. So, all right, now if you like this video, please click like. Let me know what you think. If you have a favorite lantern that you like to use, maybe put it in the comments below, because people read the comments. And when it comes to like product reviews and discussions like that, having more input from people makes it just a better experience. And this is sold by a company that was started by a group of people that came together who just liked RVing, and they wanted, you know, to sell products that would make RV life and, you know, glamping a just more enjoyable experience. They have refrigerators on there. Like I said, they got a camping hot water heater on there. They've got all sorts of crazy stuff. Oh, and they've also got the solar panels and things. So check them out. If you've ever bought anything from BougeRV, then again, put that in the comments below too. Let us know what you think. Now that we've said all that, let's talk a little bit about traditional camp crafting. If you have not checked out the Traditional Camp Crafters Guild, please go to www.honorableoutfitters.com/join the guild and, you know, check it out, because we have a lot of people on there who really love camping. Classic camping, traditional camping, modern camping, just camping in general. And it's a great group of people who just love to share their stories, their experiences, share their knowledge. So if you have a question about something, if you're more of a student of camping, there's no better place than the Camp Crafters Guild, because we have tons of resources on there from all sorts of different writers and publications and primary sources to help you be a more informed and better outdoor adventure enthusiast. And we love to learn from you too. So it's not like we're just going to give you all this information, but you have experiences and value too that we love to have from you. So if you're looking for a group of people who are friends, who like that kind of hobby and that type of lifestyle, then please check it out. Also, if you haven't done so already and you want a Preston Mess Kit, please check out the description box below. There are 2 links. One link is to sign up for an interest. So it's not like you're committing to buy it or anything, but it has all the information about getting a Preston Mess Kit reproduction. We need 500 people. It'd be awesome if you joined us. And if you're just curious about what it is, at the end of this video, there's going to be a link to my video showing you the awesome Preston Mess Kit. But there's also a link to the article I wrote on my website, www.honorableoutfitters.com, about the fascinating history of the Preston Mess Kit. Just the history alone is really, really cool. So please check it out. Now, if you would like to see a video of my playlist, especially for camping gear, then check it out here. If you'd like to see the video about the Preston Mess Kit, if you haven't done so already, then check it out here. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Give a kiss and hug to your loved ones, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.